Even AI make mistakes, so teach AI your preference in vibe coding. Is your AI silently corrupting every piece of user data it touches? A simple user age input could be crashing your entire application, and a product rating could be skewing all your analytics. These common vibe coding mistakes are costing you reliability and delivering faulty business insights. We'll show you the 3 critical data type fixes you need to know to build a robust AI survey tool that actually works. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. In Python, the backquote input, backquote function is a common trap, especially with AI-generated code. It always returns a string. So, when a user enters their age as 25, it's the string 25, not the number. Trying to do math like backquote 25 plus 1 backquote results in a backquote type error backquote, crashing your program. For our AI survey tool, this is catastrophic. It means no age calculations, no rating aggregations, and a constantly failing application. The correct way is to explicitly convert these strings using functions like backquote int, backquote. Without guiding your AI to do this, you're building a tool destined to fail. Here's a map of our AI survey analysis tool. Built with a simple vibe prompt, it's designed to gather user feedback. But like an X-ray, we can spot 3 critical fractures in its data handling logic. First, when processing age, a backquote type error backquote is waiting to happen. Second, when aggregating product ratings, the data gets corrupted. And third, a feature preference check has a logic bomb making every input true. These aren't just bugs, they're system-breaking failures that make the AI's output worthless. So how do we prevent this? We teach the AI. Instead of just asking for a survey tool, our vibe prompt sets strict rules. We demand rigorous type checking, robust try-except blocks for all inputs, and explicit conversion for integers and booleans. This tells the AI how to build the code, ensuring it's resilient from the start. A better prompt leads to a better AI. Subscribe to get the full prompt and level up your vibe coding. First, the AI code asks for the user's age but then tries to add 5 directly to the input. Since the input is a string, this causes a type error and crashes the script. The survey is dead on. The right way is to wrap the input in a backquote try-except backquote block and explicitly convert it to an integer using backquote int, backquote. Now, the math works, and we handle non-numeric input gracefully without crash. Next, for product ratings, the code takes the input and concatenates it to a stored string. A rating of 10, added to a total of 0, becomes 010, not the number 10. This completely skews any for the rating, we again use backquote int, backquote to convert the score to a number. Now, adding the new score to our total performs correct mathematical addition, ensuring our data is accurate. Finally, when configuring a feature, the code simply checks if the input, true, or false, exists. In Python, any non-empty string is truthy, so even when a user types false, the feature gets enabled. A critical logic flaw. The correct approach for booleans is to explicitly check the input string after converting it to lowercase. We compare it to true, which ensures only that specific word enables the feature, fixing the logic. By correcting these 3 data type mistakes, we transformed our application. We went from an app that crashed, corrupted data, and made logical errors, to a robust and accurate survey tool that delivers real value. This is the power of reviewing your AI's code and teaching it your preferences through precise vibe coding. Don't just build fast, build right. Thanks for watching. Did you vibe code smarter today?